Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook pixel. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to simply open up any of your browser. So after opening up any of your browser, you guys have to simply search for Meta Business Suite. So here you guys can see the first website. You have to simply open up this website, which is Facebook Business Manager. You guys have to simply click on it. So after clicking on that, it might be want to log in from you. So you have to simply put your login credentials and you have to simply log in with your Facebook account and make sure that you have connected with your correct Facebook account. So after confirming your correct Facebook account, you guys have to simply go to the settings below. So you guys have to simply click on it. So after clicking on settings, here you guys have to simply go to this business assets section, which is on top left panel. So after tapping on business assets, you guys have to simply go to this more section. So you guys have to simply click on this more and select the pixels. So after clicking on pixels, I don't have right now pixels on this account. So you guys will be able to see the lot of pixels which you have in your accounts. So you guys have to simply select any of the account and you guys will be able to see the bin icon which is used for delete. So you guys have to simply click on it and your Facebook pixel will be deleted. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.